Good morning, children. Hope you are all safe at home. Due to Corona crisis, we are all doing online classes. So please do cooperate, children. I am handling first language English for your class, right? You might have learned in social science that many social evils were in practice since the age of epics, wherein like child marriage, sati system and many more. Those days they followed these systems. When a husband loses his wife or when he wanted a son to be his heir, he was allowed to remarry. Why is it so? Why was it so? Because only sons has a right to share the property. But in the case of women, it was not like that. After the death of her husband, she was not allowed to remarry. And also, there was no status for her in the society. And also, there was a custom that she would sacrifice her life by jumping into the pyre of her husband and end up her life. So, this was the situations they were undergoing. Many social reformers fought against these social evils, and women exploitation is also one of the social evils. Even today, these systems are still in practice in many parts of our country. Dr. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Do you know who is Dr. Vijayalakshmi Pandit? She is one of the sisters of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and also the first president of UN General Assembly. And she was also not an exception for this. We couldn't believe that even such a great person like Vijayalakshmi Pandit had undergone the women exploitation. After the death of her husband, she has to face many difficulties. Being a widow with her two daughters, she has come across a lot of hardships. And one more thing, she was a great follower of Mahatma Gandhiji. Because of Mahatma Gandhiji's single and moral advice, she was able to overcome the difficulties she faced. And also the counseling made by Gandhiji to her made her firm and strong to face these difficulties. What are the difficulties Vijayalakshmi faced and how did she overcome all these difficulties and what was the advice given by Gandhiji to her? And let us know all these in your lesson, the best advice I ever had. So, let's go to the lesson. About the author, Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit was an Indian diplomat, politician and a sister of India's first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru. She was active in the Indian freedom movement and held high national and international positions. She was greatly influenced by Gandhiji and became identified with the struggle for independence. She was imprisoned by the British on 3 different occasions in 1932 to 1933, 1940 and 1942 to 1943. After her husband's death in 1944, she travelled in the United States from late 1944 to early 1946, mainly on a lecture tour. After India's independence, she entered the diplomatic service and became India's ambassador to the Soviet Union, the United States, Mexico, Ireland, during which time she was also the Indian High Commissioner to the United Kingdom and Spain. In 1953, she became the first woman president of the United Nations General Assembly. Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit died on December 1, 1990. President Ramaswamy Venkataraman described Mrs. Pandit as a luminous strand in the tapestry of India's freedom struggle. Distinctive in her elegance, courage, and dedication, Mrs. Pandit was an asset to the national movement.